My name is Karan Bhagi, and I'm the founder and one of the mentors here at Digiaccel Learning. I want to start by congratulating you for taking the first step in your learning journey. This video will help you assess if the e-commerce executive learning program is the right program for your learning needs. You are probably here because you were looking for a specialist and holistic program for e-commerce, and you couldn't find one even from the top business schools in India or globally, which is why we built one of our own. In the last 1 year, over 500 working professionals from India's leading organizations have taken one of Digiaccel Learning's e-commerce programs. We have had learners from across domains like retail, D2C, FMCG, media, and consulting. In fact, Digiaccel is Amazon's knowledge partner for e-commerce upskilling in India. The e-commerce executive learning program, or the EELP, curates proven and leading industry frameworks for every aspect of e-commerce in a 10-week learning journey. During these 10 weeks, you get to learn skills like e-commerce strategy, retail fundamentals, e-commerce brand building, growth marketing, retail media, and content. But before we get into the details of what the program covers, let us understand the how. The e-commerce executive learning program is based on 3 unique pillars. First, a sprint-based learning plan. Each of the 10 weeks is a learning sprint where we go deep on a particular topic. Second, a learning by doing pedagogy, where you get to work on things that e-commerce professionals do at work every day. Third is an industry-based curriculum and teaching. All of Digiaccel's education is designed and taught by experts from India's leading companies who have been there and done that. In fact, this program is taught only by industry professionals and not academicians. So you get relevant and leading industry education that you can apply at work starting the next day. And it all comes together in a learning system where every week you get to learn about a particular aspect of e-commerce from an industry expert. You also get to apply what you learn on a real-world case or a business simulation. And at the end of the week, you get to close your loop on learning through some data-backed feedback. Now, let us get into the details of what we cover in the program. The first few sprints focus on the retail side of e-commerce. The middle sprints cover the brand side of e-commerce, and the last sprints cover the growth side of e-commerce. The program starts with e-commerce strategy, where we cover shopper journeys and platform design. It then moves to e-retail fundamentals, where we dive deep into business models, unit economics, and the levers for building a retail business. The next few sprints cover the brand side of e-commerce, where we understand brand building, growth levers for brands, and how the P&L operates. The sprints then move to growth marketing, where we learn how to build a growth plan for a brand or a business. We then cover acquisition and retention frameworks and close it out by designing growth experiments for some real-world business problems. The next couple of sprints focus on media, including e-retail media. We learn media planning for an e-commerce business to support the acquisition and retention plans. There is also a deep dive into retail media with a specific focus on the Indian e-commerce retail ecosystem. We close out the program with a sprint on content planning and creatives, where we walk through some of the best practices and playbooks to design content for different stages of the consumer funnel. At the end of this 10-week program, you would have acquired the e-commerce skills that you need to take your career to the next level. If you want to know more about the program, you can initiate a conversation with our learning advisor by using the application form on the website. And I look forward to seeing some of you as your mentor on the program.